Alright, so I just wanted to make a video because nothing online, absolutely nothing, will tell you about this problem. And I've been working for days and days and days. All electronics work. I thought it was the ECU. I thought it was the relays. Replaced all the relays. I put a new starter in. Did everything, right? And come to find out, it was a stupid little fuse. I have a Nissan Titan here. And after a lot of wasted time, I realized if you have a starter issue where it won't crank, won't do nothing, you just come over here and just replace this little fuse right here. See that yellow one? Right there, all the way to the right. Top one, that top yellow fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse, all the way to the right. This guy right here. That little guy right there was the issue the whole time why my Nissan Titan would not start. It wouldn't even crank, wouldn't do anything. All electronics worked, everything. So I hope this helps somebody. Try switching out that fuse, 20 amp, and good luck.